Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model TF5666-B in color code 001. It's a black gunmetal color frame. On the temples here, we have a gunmetal color. And at the temple tip, we have a Tom Ford logo in silver. And over here is a T logo for Tom Ford. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with the same Tom Ford logo at the temple tip and over here. The lenses are a blue block lenses, and at the top left, we have a Tom Ford logo engraved. This frame is Revexable, and the style of the frame is full rim pilot. Up here we have a Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and the manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.